Good morning, Year 8. It's Mr. Heller again, talking you through some of the MyMaths tasks for this week. Okay, so we've got a new topic this week, which is looking at data and comparing data. So in the first MyMaths task, I've pulled up question 2, and you'll see the question asks you to consider the weekly staff wages from two small internet companies. The first company looks like it's got 5 members of staff, and the next company looks like it's got 8 members of staff. So just finding the total isn't going to be a great way to compare the weekly wages. So it asks us to find the mean. First thing we need to do to find the mean is to add up these numbers. Okay, I'm not going to do that in my head. I'm going to use a calculator for that. I've done that already, and that comes out as £1,950. I'm going to divide that by 5, and that gives me a mean wage here of £390. Okay, in B, I'm going to add those up again. That comes to 3,520. This time I'm going to divide it by 8, and that gives me a mean of £440. Now, it asks me to find the medians. These numbers are already in order, so I don't need to spend time putting them in order. I just literally need to look for the middle one, which is 320. In the next one, I've got 8, so there isn't 1 in the middle, there are 2 in the middle. I've got 400 and I've got 480. So in the middle of those, the median there is 440. So you'll see for A, the mean is 390. For B, the mean is 440. The median for A is 320. The median for B is 440. So in both cases, company B has got a bigger average. Even though A's got this one person who's earning a lot more than anybody in B, the average for B is bigger. Okay, in the second part of this question, we're now looking at a golfer and their scores. A golfer is practicing at a particular hole. The table shows how he scored. One of the frequencies is missing, but the total score for the practice was 75. We were asked to find the mode score. So I want to know which of these frequencies is highest. Well, at the moment, it looks like the score of 3 has got the highest frequency. But we don't know that frequency there, so we better just check that that's not going to come out as bigger than 8. Okay, so let's have a look. He scored 2 twice. That'll give him a score of 4 there. He scored 3 8 times. That'll give him a score of 24. We don't know the total score here, but scoring 5 times will give him a score of 25. And a score of 6, really bad hole that time. Scored 6 only once, so that'll be a score of 6. And I know that those scores are going to add up to 75. So that means that this missing number here, by doing a bit of subtraction, is 16. Because all of these numbers have to add up to 75. And once I know that that's 16, I know that he must have scored 4 times. So the mode was a score of 3. It's the one with the highest frequencies. Now, when you come to log on to MyMaths, your numbers will be different, but your questions will be the same. Okay, so good luck with that task.